F'nofs il-bandiera tal-istat ta' Queensland naraw is-salib ta' Malta. Anke jekk b'mod indirett tur il-preżenza tal-Maltin f'dan l-istat fil-kosta tal-Vant tal-Awstralja. Din iż-żona kbira daqs Franza u l-Ġermanja flimkien hija magħrufa għal Gold Coast fejn qatt ta' Awstraljani imorru għal vaganzi u għal Great Barrier Reef famuża sbuħija tal-ambjent ta' taħt il-baħar. Iżda f'dawn l-aħħar ġranet kollox inqaleb ta' taħt fuq meta xita qawwija fawret qatt ta' xmajjar u żviluppaw arar kbar. One News tkellem ma' Carmel Barretta, il-President tal-Għaqda tal-Komunità Maltija fil-belt ta' McCoy, sigħat biss il-bogħod minn Rockhampton, waħda mill-ibliet l-aktar mill-quta. Spjegat magħna kif il-Maltin li tafi jinsabu tajbin imma l-arar affettwalhom b'mod qawwi ix-xogħol tagħhom speċjalment fil-bidja u trasport.
Rockhampton is still in the process of getting the peak height of the flooding because it's as a consequence of the runoff, the water that's happened in the central Queensland. It travels via the rivers. I think Queenslanders are pretty resilient and they just accept what they get and work it out. They don't tend to. Most of them are farming people or country people, so they will go to the bad situation, and the government is helping and a lot of donations are coming through.
Tkellimna wkoll ma' Peter Fenech dwar is-sitwazzjoni f'Moranbah u dwar il-problemi fil-kumpanija ta' missieru Fitin.
Fairly wet. We've had a couple days that they had to close the mines and people couldn't get to work. Our family farm at Eaton, we've left 3,000 tonne of cane in the paddock. We've had to use helicopters to get the last of the fertiliser on. My father, John Fenech, that's at Eaton, just outside of Minkejja.
Fi Claremont, Steve Mifsud, sita Mifsud Heavy Haulage, qal li x-xogħol ta' trasport kellu jieqaf għal kollox.
In our area, well, it has been affected with our transport business. It has stopped the truck work completely. Yeah, we're fine where we are here. It is very serious on the east coast of Australia.
Kummenti li wkoll juru l-effett fuq l-imprenditori Maltin fl-istat ta' Queensland bl-inkonvenjent u t-telf possibilment ikompli jiżdied hekk kif l-arar ta' proporzjonijiet bibliċi jibqa' jaffettwa ż-żona.